Now, one of the reasons why 95% of forex traders lose money while trading in the forex market is they love to trade high volatile news events such as NFP, CPI. These are very volatile news events that whenever they happen, prices can move up 100 pips up or 100 pips down. Just like we had gold last week, we had NFP drop and price moved up 200 pips up and 200 pips down, meaning if you had traded NFP during that time and you used the stop loss, you lost money. That's why in today's video I want to explain to you exactly how you can catch high probability trades targeting more than 200, 100 pips, risking very less. So if you're new around here, please make sure to subscribe and let's get started with this video. So most of the time, people lose the most money during economic events. So last week we had what we called NFP. So NFP, don't know what NFP stands for? You come to Fastball right here. So Fastball is the only platform that you will see transparent economic data. So last week we had what we call NFP. So NFP stands for non-farm payrolls. It measures how many jobs have been added to the US economy, excluding the social workers and farm workers. So this is NFP down right here. NFP data that released last week, we had less jobs added to the US economy, less than the forecast. So you can see the forecast is only 243k compared to the previous data. So the previous data was 300 and, as you can see, it was 315. As you can see, then forecast was 243, then actual was 175, meaning this affects the dollar very bad. But most of the time, we never have this NFP dropping in the forex market, guys. We have price go up and down. So this is the portion where we had NFP drop up and down. You can see this right here. So it's very hard to take trades from here. This is our one candle. So literally see, this is before NFP, guys. This one candle right here, this one, you can see this one. So before NFP drops, we had price moving slowly, but imagine that NFP drops, price goes up more than 100. Actually, this is more than 200 pips up and 200 pips down. Imagine, guys. So trading NFP is very, very wrong. You can know what data is dropping, but being in the markets is wrong. How do we trade and benefit of this forex market without trading major news events? Now this is what brings me to trading aftermath. Now for me, I love to trade aftermath. Aftermath is after when NFP has dropped. So what I did, I drew out my major zones. I love to trade demand and supply. So I draw out this demand zone, as you can see. So what is a demand zone? A demand zone is any zone in the market that causes an upside move. So this is an upside move right here, you can see, and then price comes back and bounces off here. Same event to NFP, as you can see. So most of people would catch trades from this NFP drop, as you can see. Now for me, I waited for the aftermath, and aftermath happens after probably, let's say, 1 or 2 hours after NFP has dropped, as you can see. So again, when NFP dropped, as you can see, price approached into our demand zone, and this is the 1 hour candle. So we had price approach our zone properly. This is a clear demand zone. Why? You can see anytime when you have a market that is giving you more of like a ranging market, that is a demand and supply zone. So we had this part right here where price comes and taps into our zone. So meaning, even though I had taken my trade and probably put my stop loss below here, that would have taken me out. Meaning trading here was very, very bad. So I didn't take any trades right here. So I waited when Monday opened. So what I did on Monday is I zoomed into the 15 minutes time frame. So when you zoom into the 15 minutes time frame, you can see we didn't have like really much volume of this zone right here, as you can see, when price came back to the demand zone. So what I did is, again, I waited until I want to see more momentum. So what we have here on the 15 time frame, we have like a W, and again, anytime when you see a W like this, this is a demand zone, this one right here. So what I do, I mark it out like this. So traders, when I mark it out like this, I'll drag this to the future. So I caught my trade off this demand zone right here when price came back here. But price didn't just come back here, guys. Remember, always good trades happen when the masses have been taken out. So when you look closely, we had this consolidation, as you can see, then breakout, come back down to this demand zone, and then after start going up immediately, as you can see, guys. This was a very beautiful trade after price consolidating for a long time, breakout, and then after the market started pushing up. So I took a sniper entry just down here like this, taking my entry like that, putting my stop loss exactly at this point right here, as you can see, risking 40 pips, you know, and targeting this zone right here, the highest point NFP reached, this one right here. That's the one I targeted. As you can see, this is one I targeted, just like this. Now, I caught this trade, guys, on a smaller time frame. Whenever you're trading gold, guys, I always recommend trade on smaller time frame, 15 years time frame. You'll have better position and entries in the forex market. Now, I didn't just catch that one trade. I caught another trade, this one right here. So again, we had price give us this part right here, as you can see. So we had price give us that, and then we had a small structure here. So this looks like an ascending triangle, as you can see, guys. So one thing about ascending triangles, when you see an ascending triangle, it's going to break out. And most of the time, I measure out this distance between this and here as my target. So what I did, I took also again a second trade, and this is the one that I sent out in the VIP. So this trade like this, and then putting my target there, risking very small like this. So this is the same trade we took right here, you can see. And price gave us more than 100 again, more than 100 pips off this trade, guys. Just price, breaking out of here, and everyone made money, guys. Let me show you my VIP. So as you can see, traders, this was the trade we sent it out. As you can see right here, we placed a small lot size, as you can see, for the second trade, and everyone made money. Look at that. Everyone made money, guys. Look at that. Smaller accounts made money off this gold pair. Literally, everyone made money. As you can see, we secured first take profit 54 pips. As you can see, guys, look at that. Everyone made money off this gold pair. In my VIP, look at that. TP number 2 hit 149 pips secured. As you can see, guys, you can see. So we took off this trade and everyone made money. Look at this one. He even made money and took out a payout and withdrew. Look at this. Before brushing our teeth, we already caught the bag. I had to pay myself. As you can see, guys, literally everyone, as you can see, everyone paid themselves out in Xness, as you can see, guys. So that's how we're able to secure this nice trade, guys. As you can see, this one right here. Now, I would have caught also this other trade when price came back into this zone right here again, because when you look closely, we have this zone right here. So this zone right here caused this upside move. So this zone right here caused this upside move, this one. So when price came back here, which means this was also a demand zone, I would have taken my trade right here. But again, since I'd already made money from this move and also this big move up, I was like, let me stay out of the market, because trading in the forex market is just like a big birthday party. There is cake for everyone. There is cake for everyone. You just eat your piece and then leave the markets. So traders, this is how I was able to catch this big trade. 1 and 2, using demand and supply. Demand is the easiest way you can trade around the forex market, and it's also easy that you can interpret markets. If you enjoyed this video, traders, please make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to get your fast bull app onto your mobile phone or your iOS. I'm going to be bringing you more content on how do I simplify trading. So far, I'm already done with trading this week, and guess what? It's just a Tuesday, and I'm already done for the week, guys. Keep safe, and God bless you.